Hey everyone, welcome to Levil Technology, one of my favorite places to spend my Monday through Friday. I'm super excited to show you guys around, so follow me. Welcome to my office, aka the principal's office. Here we give good news and bad news, so you never quite know what you're gonna get. Here's where all of the planning, administrative work, and all the behind the scenes action happens at Levil Technology. Here we have Ruben in his natural habitat. He's the president of Levil Technology, and he's also the start of our R&D process. Here, among all the cables and wires, is where all the magic happens at Levil Technology. Here's where the manufacturing process starts. All of the raw material comes in through these doors and makes its way over to our larger CNC machines that I'm going to show you in just a minute. There is where we make all of the parts and pieces for the machines that we manufacture right here in-house in Oviedo, Florida. Here's where all that raw material ends up to be milled and turned into parts for our CNC machines. A few examples are machine body parts, the spindles that we make here in-house, tool racks, tail stocks, brackets, and a variety of other parts and pieces that we need to get our machines out the door. This is a special area of Levil Technology. A lot of you know we have a sister company called Levil Aviation, and not only do we manufacture the parts for our own CNC machines, but we manufacture the aviation parts for our sister company on machines that we make here in-house as well. So talk about having a full amount of control over our manufacturing quality process. I'm sure you guys can imagine all the parts and pieces it takes to build a CNC machine. So here is our inventory area where we store all of the parts we manufacture, purchase, and supply. So now we've seen where the material comes in, where it's manufactured, where it's stored, but now we have to make it into a machine, and that starts here in body assembly. So all the parts are taken from inventory and they are assembled and aligned before moving on to the next stage of the process. Once the machine has left the body assembly, it comes to this side of the floor for wiring, spindles, and final assembly. We build all of our machines in batches so that we can ensure quality and consistency throughout the whole process. Now we're getting to the end of the production process. Once the machine has been fully assembled, it comes here to where it'll be checked for quality. It goes through several checklists to ensure that it's meeting all of our standards. It'll get crated and then shipped out to its final destination. This is Efren. He's our assembly manager. He's in charge of all of the production here on the floor. He makes sure that all of our machines are made to standard, go out on time, and ensures that any customer or technical support questions are met. This is Carlos. He's our production manager. As you've seen throughout the tour, Levil is divided into two areas. We have fabrication for the production of parts, and then we have machine assembly. He oversees both departments to make sure that everything is flowing together and everything flows flawlessly throughout the process. This is Carlos. He's our fabrication manager. He's in charge of all of that raw material coming in, making sure that all of these machines are always running and producing great parts to produce great machines. This is Andres. He's the general manager. You can see him rolling around Levil Technology in what we like to call Wally. He's overseeing to make sure that everything is being done and being done right. In addition to overseeing and management responsibilities, he helps us with assembly, calibrations, research and development, and a whole list of other things. This is the sales and marketing office. Here is where Ricardo, our sales and marketing manager, and Lauren, his trusty assistant, work answering all of your CNC related questions for sales and quotes. We like to call Ricardo el jefe, but Lauren's the real boss here. And that's it, everyone. Once the machine leaves these bay doors, they're off to their new home. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me today on the behind the scenes tour of Levil Technology. If you're ever in the area, feel free to stop by for an in-person tour yourself.